Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be the last video on the Corsa C, the SXI red one. It's a case of giving her a wax now, doing the black bits, doing the interior and stuff like that to make it shine, tyre shine, them sorts of things. And then she's ready to be photographed, ready for sale. So let's get on with it and get her done. The first thing I'm going to do is to clean up some mats that I've got for it. I bought some rubber mats for it to go in, and then we'll go from there. So these are the rubber mats that I've picked up for it. I think they'll clean up fairly well. So that's what we're going to put in. Right, so I'm going to give them a scrub and then get them steam cleaned down. Right, so let's get these cleaned up. I've got some engine cleaner in the squirty here. It does. Okay then, time to give them a blast. Okay, so that's what they look like now. As you can probably see, they're nice and clean. Looking good, and they'll do nicely. So I'll dry them off with the airline now. Wipe them down and put them in the car. Then we'll get on with the actual car and hopefully get some photos. It depends whether it's too dark or not outside, but we'll see. Alright, so let's give you the blowdown. Sorry about the air noise on the leaks in some of the hoses. Got some connections the other day and they're obviously cheap ones and not very good, so I've got to replace them again. looks like I've got more water coming out my airline than I have on the actual mat, so I'm going to have to go and do them in the spray bay where it's all filtered out. So I'll go and get them done and I'll bring you back and show you what they're like once they're finished. Well, the car's got a lovely coat of wax on it now, as you can see. I always put it on really heavy to make the car fully waterproof. Hard to see on this side. You can see I've done all the windows, all the roof. I've still got rubber off as yet. Probably see it better on this side where the lights are. So yeah, once this is cured, I normally give it sort of 10 minutes or so. And then I'll wipe that all off with a really good microfiber cloth. And that should be nice and shiny. I've done the headlights as well, and the chrome bits. So it should be looking good fairly soon. And I can get on with the black bits and the dash and stuff like that. That should be looking quite nice. So I'll bring you back then. Okay, while doing this video, I'd like to give a shout out for my parents. They're going through a hard time at the moment. My dad's just had a quadruple bypass on his heart, which is obviously a major operation, but he's come through it really well. It was only yesterday he had it done. He's already up and walking around and eating, so that's a good start. I just want to give him a shout out because I know they watch my videos, and hopefully we'll see him soon. He's going to be in hospital probably for another week, and we can go and pick him up and get him home, and then he's got to recover, which is going to take a while. So I just want to give him a shout out. So hello, and hope everything's going really well. And I'll see you soon. When it comes to waxing, there's only one way to do it properly and get a really good coverage, and that's to do it by hand. So that's the sort of result you'll get if all the other stages have been done how they should be. You'll end up with a nice shiny car like that. Okay, so I'll turn you off while I get the rest of the car done, and bring you back and show you what we got. Oh, as you saw me taking off the wax in the time lapse, she's looking pretty shiny now. So I'll carry on with the rest of the car. I'll bring you back later on when I start to do the black bits and tyres and stuff like that. So she's looking all good. Pretty shiny. All the black bits are done. Wheels are done. Tyres are done. Looking nice. Mats are in. Nice clean mats on both sides. Dash is all done. All the back end's done. Mats and carpets all perfect. Nice back end. Spoilers come out really nice. Seen it was all faded away. So the boot carpet's all nice and dry now, all one colour, looking good. So not bad. Okay, so sadly, that's the end of the series on the Corsa. So that's one Corsa SXI all done and finished and ready to go up for sale. So there's not really much more to say apart from thank you for everyone who watched the series and all my videos. Thank you for all the new subscribers. And we move on to another project.